Hey Dad, may Rosie and I go outside and play?
Sure, but be sure to come inside if it rains.
Okay, thanks Dad. Yay, we're outside. What should we do first?
I know. Let's play tag.
Okay, tag. You're it. Ha 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 ha.
Tag. You're
Oh no, you got me. Oh no, that sounds like thunder. We better go inside, now. Oh no,
What is it?
Dad must have locked the door, and now we can't get inside.
Oh no.
Help, help, we're stuck outside. Help, help, someone, please let us in.
Oh no. Could you look?
Oh no 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 no, it's a tornado.
Help, 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 someone please help, 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 one, 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 one.
Oh no, Kaylu and Rosie, what's wrong?
There's a tornado coming. We need to get inside. 101111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111
going to harm my family.
Dad, what are you doing?
Tornado. How dare you scare and threaten the safety of my children? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded until you are ungrounded. Go to your room now.
Oh my god, Dad, that was amazing. Thank you so much.
Of course, I do whatever it takes to protect my family. Now have fun.